How to fix Instagram problem. Confirm your info on the app. We noticed unusual activity from your account. Confirm your identity from the Instagram app to get back to your account. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to solve this problem right here. So let me go back to my Instagram account. So from here you have to go to those three lines from the right top corner. And then go to settings, and then from here you have to go to help, and then go to report a problem, and then again to report a problem. So from here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working, and then you have to go to your gallery or take a screenshot with that problem. I will go to my gallery. You have to add your screenshot right here, your picture with the problem, and then here you have to enter your number, your username, your email, and after that you have to click on submit from the right top corner and wait for a response in 1 or 2 days. So another thing to do is by uninstalling any third-party apps that are connected with your Instagram account, so make sure to delete them. And after that, if your account is still not working, if you still have that error, you have to go to your Google Play or your App Store if you have an iPhone, and then from here search for Instagram, and then you can update the app if it needs, or you can uninstall the app and then install it again. So this is how you solve this problem. If you still couldn't figure it out, then you don't have to worry. Just wait for 1 or 2 days to Instagram reply to you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.